Hello, in this video we are going to show you our 12-inch Wedge Euphonic acoustic tile pack. This pack of tiles contains 16 in total. 8 of the acoustic tiles are what are called tagular acoustic tiles. So these tiles are 55mm thick and have a bevel on all 4 sides. Also included in the pack of tiles are 8 of the wedge profiled acoustic tiles. These tiles are cut on our CNC machines so that you get nice crisp cuts and uniformity all the way through. These tiles, the wedge tiles, are 40mm thick overall, and as I say, you get 8 of these in a box also. One pack of tiles will cover just under 1.5 square meters or 16 square feet if you prefer imperial measurements. As you can see, these tiles arrive to you uncompressed. They're not shrink wrapped like other manufacturers send. So these tiles are ready to be installed as soon as you receive them. And the colour of the tiles that we're showing you here is the dark grey, but they are also available in mid-grey. So here's a mid-grey tile side by side to show you a comparison. Now both colour options are kept in stock for immediate dispatch. So this is the 12-inch wedge acoustic tile pack.